The BJP's legislative party meeting in Jammu, a day after Mehbooba Mufti was declared as the chief ministerial candidate by her party. The BJP unanimously supported government formation with the PDP, but the oath-taking ceremony may be delayed as both parties have deferred their meeting with the governor.
हम लोग बैठेंगे पीडीपी के कुछ नेताओं के साथ, हमारे कुछ जो शीर्ष नेता है वो बैठेंगे, कुछ डिस्कशंस होंगी, कुछ इश्यूज डिस्कशन में आएंगे। उस डिस्कशन के बाद मुझे लगता है हम लोग इकट्ठे ही जाके गवर्नर साहब को, आज तो शायद मिलना ना हो पाए, लेकिन एक आध दिन के बीच में हम लोग गवर्नर साहब से समय लेने के बाद हम लोग को मिलेंगे।
Mehbooba Mufti, who reached Jammu, was scheduled to meet the governor to stake claim for government formation, but the meeting was cancelled at the last moment. She told NDTV that change in schedule was because both parties want to meet the governor together. The BJP says there are no differences and agenda of alliance will be the guiding principle for the coalition government.
Our guiding principle will be the common minimum program, agenda of governance, which was agreed upon by the both parties some 1 year ago.
There has never been a breakdown in the coalition between the BJP and the PDP, and therefore I think this is just a continuation of the process we started about a year back.
After PDP, BJP also announced its decision on government formation in Jammu and Kashmir, and alliance in the state is back on track. It's now a matter of time when Mehbooba Mufti will take over as Chief Minister of Jammu and Kashmir. In Jammu, Nazir Masoodi for NDTV.